Cut them into small slices in a deep plate. Add 3 large egg yolks to the bananas. 3 tablespoons cornstarch. And mix everything very well with an immersion blender until a smooth, lump-free consistency is formed. This ice cream recipe is so delicious that you'll never buy it in a store again. After the mass has whipped, add 5 tablespoons cocoa powder. Be sure to sift through a sieve. Mix well with a whisk until smooth. Write from which country you are watching this video. I am very interested in knowing who is watching my videos. Now add 2 cups milk. Add in small portions and mix well so that no lumps form. And also write to me if you love ice cream that much, or maybe you have children who adore it. Now pour the chocolate mass into a saucepan. And put it to cook over medium heat. Cook, stirring constantly so that the mass does not burn and lumps do not form. The mass will gradually thicken and may boil a little. This is the consistency. You can remove it from the heat and pour it into a heat-resistant dish. Cover tightly with cling film. And set aside to cool to room temperature. Now take a deep plate and pour 3 large egg whites into it. 1 cup sugar. Mix well with a whisk. And put all this mass on a steam bath. Always stir until the sugar is completely melted. When the mass becomes more foamy, check with your fingers whether the sugar has completely dissolved. If we do not feel any grains between our fingers, then the mass is ready and can be removed from the heat. Beat the egg whites with a mixer at high speed. Like and subscribe to support my channel. I will be very grateful. When the mass has become thick like in my video, we take out the already cooled chocolate banana mass. We beat it for 1 minute so that there are no lumps. Share your impressions in the comments under the video, whether you managed to make such ice cream. And pour it all into our already whipped proteins. We beat again with a mixer, but at a lower speed, just so that the two masses are well combined. We mix everything again with a silicone spatula. And pour it into an ice cream mold. We level it with a silicone spatula and cover it with cling film so that the ice cream does not absorb otus from the refrigerator. We put it in the freezer until completely frozen. We take out the ice cream and let it stand for 15 minutes at room temperature. This way it will be much tastier to taste. This ice cream recipe is so chocolatey that it's simply impossible to stop. I want it again and again. And the light taste of banana is simply incredibly delicious. Thank you for watching the video to the end. I hope you liked my recipe. Enjoy! And see you in new delicious desserts without baking.